So now that we're officially in 2021, I want you guys to take those resolutions that you made and actually commit to them, okay? So if you said you're going to lose weight, you're going to make more money, you're going to quit the job that you hate, you're going to leave your boyfriend, girlfriend, they, whatever it is, and you're going to do better for yourself, then do it. Okay, don't be like most people and have that week or two go by and you're all gung-ho, man. You with your chest puffed out. You got the hamburger meat all hanging out. Like, yeah, I'm going to really do things. You know, the nuts is dropped. You swanging down there, and then you just don't back it up. Don't do that in 2021, man. We went through so much stuff in 2020, and we want to leave that shit back in 2020. We want to kick some ass this year, make 2021 be the best year ever, and do great things. Commit. Don't just make resolutions, commit, because that's what's most important. All right? Let's make it happen.